We're Joanna and James. Join us as we travel into the Scottish Highlands, through Glencoe and to the Silver Sands of Morar.
The A82 winds through the Highlands and Glencoe and is truly the most stunning road to drive along. There are also many places to pull over and take photographs, which, believe me, you will want to do. At the head of Glencoe are the great and little Herdsmen of Etive, which are jaw-dropping, unforgettable sights and among the most photographed mountains in the UK. The drive through this iconic mountain valley is an essential experience. Again, there are many places to stop and enjoy the extraordinary views, and even take a walk.
Continuing our journey towards Morar, we stop briefly in Fort William, happily discovering the vegan Wildcat cafe, which we'd thoroughly recommend, not least for their delicious raw cakes.
This is the Jacobite steam train, made famous in the Harry Potter movies as the Hogwarts Express. You can also take the regular train all the way from Fort William up the coast to Mallaig, which costs £16 per adult and £1 for children. The Silver Sands of Morar are a group of beautiful beaches stretching along the coast between the villages of Arisaig and Morar.
My favourite is Traigh Beach, with its crescent shapes and turquoise waters. But the silver sands on the River Morar are also gorgeous.
With beautiful views of the sea, and on a less hazy day, clear views of the small isles Egg and Rum, this is a great place for a picnic, wander, paddle, or even a swim.
Although we didn't go in this time, the water is wonderfully warm in the summer months. We hope you'll come this way yourself one day, and we wish you beautiful weather like we had.
What could be better when you're wending your way back than to catch an awesome view of the UK's highest mountain, Ben Nevis? This really completed the trip for us.
Join us next week for part 3 of our Scotland road trip.